Alright, so this is going to be the test, alright? So I noticed this. So on this particular page, alright, let's open it up over here. Check this out. So I have an embedded YouTube video, right? So I wanted to increase the amount of my main keyword. So I injected it into the code of the YouTube video, and I'm noticing, and I did a rendered test, YouTube's picking it up, or Google's picking it up. So here, I want to show you something. So if we go over here and we Control F, or right click, we're going to view the source. All right, check this out. So we go to Control F and we do iframe. I want to show you the iframe of the video. So check this out. Here's the iframe of the video. All right. And then look at, see these words that are inside of the parentheses? I added these: SEO, science, testing SEO, testing SEO, SEO, test, apostrophe, Chris, Palmer, testing search, engine, testing, right? And this is inside of the iframe, so you cannot see it on the page, right? Here, let me just show you one more time. I'm going to edit in Thrive. All right, check this out. So let me show you this in Thrive and show you what I did. And then we'll get into this little test that I'm going to run on my site, and we're going to see what happens. All right? And this will be super cool. It's taking a little bit of time to load, but bear with me. All right, so we'll go down to the video. All right, I just want to show you what it looks like. We're going to click on this. We're going to edit the HTML. So as you can see, I put this iframe code on my page. Then inside of here, I added these words. All right, testing SEO, because I'm going to trying to rank for SEO testing and testing SEO. All right, so I added in these words inside of the code, which is not visible to the naked eye, but when it's read. All right, let's go over here. Let's go to mobile. But when, all right. All right. Actually, here, let's not waste any time. Let's go right over to it. Here, let's screw it. Let's go over here. Let's go to mobile friendly test. All right. We're going to put our site into here. Okay. SEO science. All right, let's copy. We're going to go to the mobile friendly test. We're going to put it in. Let's run the test. Let's take a look at the code. All right. And then we'll get into what I'm going to test next. All right, and I'll do it right in front of you so you can see. And then we're going to sit and we're going to wait and see what happens. All right. Rendered page, HTML. All right, we're going to go Control F. We're going to look for the iframe. All right, here's the iframe. Now, as you can see, when they render the page, look at, it's inside of the code. All right, see it? So here's what I'm going to do. I want to rank for this word. So what I did is I went to the #1 ranker, right? So let's just do this. I'll show you in real time. SEO testing, right? So the #1 ranker for SEO testing is Neil Patel. All right, so let me show you his page. And I'm sorry, my throat's hurting a little bit, so not as excited today. My throat's killing me. Alrighty, so here's his page. All right, now I took the liberty to add some extra keywords to increase the density and change around the words that were on the page. And I did that by increasing the density, right? I just wanted to change the amount of words. All right, I wanted to get it over 60%. So I took the liberty to go ahead and add this in. So we're just going to copy this. And I noticed on his page, right, if you search, his most dense keywords are SEO, testing, test, and content. So obviously, of course, what did I do? I did SEO, test, testing, SEO, testing, SEO, test, and the word content, right? So here, let's just get this. Let's get this little snippet, and let's make it a little bit more, because I really want to change the densities around. All right, now we're going to take this, all right? And all I did inside of here, I changed this title around, the Ultimate SEO Testing Guide. Yes, it's possible. And all of the places where it said Neil Patel, I changed it to Chris Palmer. And then I just took this little snippet, which I'm going to add right here. And this is a 5,000 word article. I just changed the words around just ever so slightly. All right, just to change the percentage to get past the duplicate filter. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna right click. We're gonna copy all of this. Whoa, why is this here? Copy, edit, place. Here, edit. Find. Wait a second here. Edit. Replace. Oh, maybe I didn't. Replace all Neil Patels with Chris Palmer. So maybe I just did the one. I'm glad I caught that now. All right. So in any case. All right. And I might change this around just a little bit more, but for the sake of the video, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to right click. I'm going to copy all of this content. And what we're going to do is we're going to go over here. We're going to launch a new page, which we already have. We're on a new page. And what we're going to call this is the Ultimate SEO Testing. The Ultimate SEO, what did he call it? Was it guide? How about the new Ultimate SEO Testing Guide? Okay. Now inside of this, that's where we're going to keep that, all right? All right, we're going to use the exact same URL, so guide to SEO testing. So that's what we're going to use as our slug. So here, let's launch this page. Now this video, all right, that I have, that I'm recording on, I'm going to name it the new Ultimate SEO Testing Guide, all right? Or the Ultimate SEO Testing Guide. But what we're going to do is simply this, just so I can show you, and then we're going to see if we can get it indexed, and we're going to see if we can get it ranked with just the text from the YouTube video. I want to see, this is the test, all right? I know they read it. Can I spin up an article, put it inside the YouTube? Can it pass? There's nothing on the page. No one will see it. You have to look into the source code. I want to see, can I get it indexed? Can I get it ranked by just injecting content into the YouTube embed? And because it's not seen by the naked eye, will it pass the duplicate filter, right? Or will it even trigger it? Because I know I've changed it around a little bit, but I increased the density, all right? So here's what we're going to do. We're on this page. What I'm going to do is I'm going to launch this, and this is just the beginning, all right? So I'm just sharing this. I just wanted to document what I was doing. So here, let's go to default, and what I'm looking for is blank, because that's what I like to use. Where's my blanks, baby? How come it's not letting me search? What's going on here? Oh, here it is. Expand set, blank page, choose template. All right, the only thing I'm going to put on the page is the title and the H1. So I'm literally going to take his exact same H1, and I want to make sure that I have the right H1. I'm assuming this is his H1, but sometimes these guys do weird stuff on the page. I'll put the H1 down bottom. Very strange. All right. And I'm just going to change this around. All right, so here we go. So the summary, what's his title? The Ultimate Guide to SEO Testing. The header, so here's, oh, we don't want to do that. That's okay. And I'm going to change it to, is it possible? Okay, so we're going to go over here. We're going to make this, we're going to call this the new Ultimate Guide. And it's the new Ultimate SEO Testing Guide, right? And then, is it possible? Is it possible to run this test? That is the question. All right. Yes, it's possible. And then mine's going to be a question. Is it possible? All right. And then on this page, let me make sure this is the H1. We'll go over here to web safe, fonts, Arial, change. Put this in the center. Go here. Change this to orange because I like orange. Apply. Okay, so this is, we have our H1. And the only thing we're putting on this page is going to be an HTML. We're going to add that here. Now remember, I'm doing this for the sake of the video to show you what I'm going to do. However, this video I'm going to upload to YouTube, change the title of it, and then I'm going to take that video and do what I'm doing in front of you right now. I'm going to add the code in, but I want to walk through the process right now so I can document. Okay, so that's what I'm doing here. Okay, so what I want is HTML, all right, custom HTML underneath the title. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to get a YouTube video. So SEO Science is Art. I'm going to get that video just to show you. It's videos. Okay, here's this test, the initial test that I did not too long ago. The public test, at least. All right, we're going to pause this. And all I want from this is the snippet. So we're going to share, and then we're going to go to the embed code. And what I want is I want this iframe. Okay, we're going to take this iframe. We're going to copy it. Let me make sure that everything's okay here. Show player controls. Here, if I take that out, what happens? Nothing. I like how it looks that way. Okay, so here, let's head back over here. Let's put this code in. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to take this massive article that we just got. All right, I hope that I've changed it around just a little bit to beat the filter. Plus, I've increased the density by a lot by just packing keywords in here. Look at this, 5,000 words. Oh, wait a minute, I don't like this. Let's use this. All right, Control A. Okay, we're going to copy this. We're going to go over here. And then inside of here, it has to be within the, within here. All right. See, this is all the added stuff. It has to be within the actual green, the iframe. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a space, and I'm going to add the 5,000 word article. All right. Now it's giving me an X, but that's okay. All right. Perfect. Now the layout and the position. We're going to center this. Oh, it doesn't want to let me do it. All right, we're going to save this. Now we know that we have a 5,000 word article that is very rich. We took #1 ranker, changed the density, changed the keyword density by a lot. Now let's go over here. We've saved this. Okay. Now, what I want to do is I want to do a quick preview of this page. Let's see if we can get a preview. Save work. Okay. Unpublished. Visibility. Only, okay. Yes, privately publish. Alright, which means it's going to get crawled. Okay. Now, let's, this is saved. Let's head on back. Let's get rid of all these. Okay, we have everything we need. Alright, this is the ultimate. Alright, so SEO testing guide. So that's going to be the URL slug, SEO testing guide. Alright. We're going to update this. Visibility is private. So let's go take a look at the page. Alright, so we have our page. There's nothing here other than a title, the URL. So these are main ranking signals. Alright. H1 and URL are huge signals. Then we have our video here. Now we have our hidden text. So let's go here, view page source. And we're going to control F, and we're going to do SEO testing. Oh, wait a minute. We're going to do iframe. So here's the iframe. And then here is the, as you can see, all right, we have a 5,000 word article stuffed into the code. Okay. Now it doesn't look like 5,000, which is very interesting to me. Let's go back here. Did it get everything? The ultimate SEO testing guide. Wow, it doesn't look like 5,000 words when you're looking at it. I guess it is. Okay. Here's what I want to do, because this doesn't look right. Let's gather up all this. The ultimate SEO testing guide, it's here. I'm wondering if I can embed like H1 tags and everything. I just want to see if this works, because if it does, this is going to open up a whole new way to start messing with stuff. Let me go over here and see where my text thing is. Get rid of this. That's another test I'm running. Where's my text mechanic? Let's see if it's over here on this page. I really like text mechanic. If you've never used it, you should definitely check it out. Extensions. No. Bookmarks is what I want. Show bookmarks bar. Where the heck are my bookmarks? Let's go to this one. Oh, there it is. Okay. Text mechanic. So we just copied that code because it just didn't seem right to me. Count characters, words, and lines. Okay. Total count. Okay, let's get this. And paste. Count text. Yeah. Do not count spaces. Okay. Go. It's only 1,000 words. Why? It should be 5,000 words. Yeah! Yo! My little? That's my boy! Yep, I'm coming up! That's my wife. I'm at the shop right now. I'm home. Let me take a look here. So we know that it's only got 1,000. I wonder if there's a limit. So here, let's go back in here, because we need to get all that in there. I'm sure you can agree. I want every last word. Maybe it's because there's spaces. I'm not sure. Copy. Let's go back over here. Okay. I want to make sure that all of it's in there, because I don't want to mess this up. Alright, so let's go here. We're going to edit the HTML. I like how it adds all this extra stuff. I wonder why it's doing that. So here, let's get all of this. Scroll on down. Because I know that I'm just inside of the... wait a minute. Well, in any case, you know what I'm going to do, right? I don't want to make this part too long. This is just a... it's like the first step, alright? That's what I'm going to do because I have to change the video anyway to this video, alright? So that's what I'm going to do. I'll figure out how to get all that text in there. But that's the test. That's what we're doing. And I'll see you in the next one. This will hopefully be a fun test. Alright, catch you later.